I tried Trezor Suite Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I started using the Trezor Suite Wallet app, I thought it would just be another hardware companion with basic features. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Trezor Suite doesn't just store your crypto, it turns security into a complete ecosystem. On day 1, I plugged in my Trezor device and was greeted by one of the cleanest interfaces I've ever seen. It immediately detected my device, showed my portfolio, and guided me through every step with crystal clear instructions. Unlike many wallets that feel intimidating, Trezor Suite feels like it was built for real people, not just crypto bros. By day 2, I was managing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins easily. What stood out was the focus on privacy. Trezor Suite connects through Tor, which hides your IP address and location. Most people overlook this feature, but it's a game changer for keeping transactions anonymous. Midweek, I explored the built-in exchange. Instead of sending crypto to third-party websites, you can swap assets directly inside the app using trusted partners. It's secure, fast, and convenient. By day 5, I tested the password manager and recovery options. The Pacifist feature adds an extra layer of protection. Even if someone steals your device, they still can't access your coins without that secret phrase. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Trezor Suite combines unmatched security with a surprisingly smooth user experience. It's not just about holding crypto safely, it's about managing your assets with complete peace of mind. If you're serious about long-term crypto security, Trezor Suite might be the most reliable digital vault you'll ever use.